The Lotus Temple self-cleaning facades. The Lotus Temple in New Delhi, India stands as both an architectural masterpiece and a triumph of biomimicry, drawing inspiration from the lotus flower. Designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Sabah, the temple features 27 marble-clad petals arranged in a lotus-like formation. Its innovative design incorporates the lotus leaf's natural self-cleaning properties through a hydrophobic coating on the marble surfaces. This coating mimics lotus leaves' microscopic structure, causing rainwater to bead and roll off while carrying away dirt and pollutants. This self-cleaning mechanism maintains the temple's pristine appearance despite New Delhi's dusty environment. The petals arrangement creates a striking visual effect while serving a practical purpose. The temple's interior matches its exterior splendor, housing a central hall that accommodates 2,500 people. Strategic skylights positioned at the petal tips flood the space with natural light, minimizing artificial lighting needs. The design also maximizes natural ventilation, reducing dependence on mechanical cooling systems. By incorporating the lotus flower's natural characteristics, the temple achieves a perfect blend of form and function. This harmonious integration of biological principles into architectural design showcases how biomimicry can create buildings that are both visually stunning and environmentally conscious, setting a precedent for future architectural innovations.